What is going on, guys? Chris here. It's nice and rainy here in Leeds on the 27th of July, but we're on our way to Leeds Open 2019, so let's get going. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go solve some fast cubes. Let's go. Welcome to the Leeds 2019 vlog. I am soaking, it's horrible, but I made it to the venue. Let's take a look around before I start my events.
So far being at this competition, well, it's been the first ever time that I've been. I'm actually, well, when pyramid starts I'm going to be competing in that, and tomorrow I'm going to be competing in 3x3. Later I may get myself a better pyramid because my pyramid is not that good, and I'll get the U something, like the U long, the U suit, the U long, yeah, something like that.
That's great, good, awesome.
And this is a detail here. Do you have a
It's in the right spot, yeah. So okay, now you're gonna do Oh no!
Oh, it's a plus two. I mean, it's still sub 2 though. Still sub 2 though. 147.
What is wrong with me? Alright, that's good, that's good. Great. Alright. Verminx round 1. Let's go. This is it. That's the one. That's me. Well, yeah, three, but I don't know if I do some more. It is.
Oh my God.
Alistair and I both made it into pyramid round 2, so we're gonna do that now. Only just, yeah, we were right at the bottom, but it's all good. Alright, so it's day 2 of Leeds. It's the 28th of July 2019 and I'm heading from Manchester to Leeds this morning. It's currently 6:26 AM, so a nice early start for me. 3x3, 4x4, 5x5 today. Would really like a sub 1 minute 4x4 solve. Maybe a sub 17 3x3 average. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, we'll see. But let's go get the bus and let's go kick some butt. Three by three round one. Let's go. Huh?
How'd you do?
I reckon sub 16 average, but
Could you solve?
I could solve, but I could not. So
How fast did you
So just a little midday update. So far I've done 3x3 round one, 4x4 round one, and 5x5 round one. 3x3 was good. My average was 15.89, which I'm super happy with. It means I'm going into round two. Hopefully I can do as well there. 4x4 was okay. I got a comp PB of 106.77. Right, okay, there's not even a point. And 5x5 was just bad, so we're gonna ignore that. Didn't even make cutoff, which was 230. Don't matter. So 3x3 round two, 4x4 round two. I think that's all I'm gonna get for the rest of today and this comp, and we'll see how that goes. Going good so far though. So, 3x3 round two was awful. I went from an average of 15.89 to possibly not even sub 20 average. I don't know what happened. Absolutely choked it. It was bad. I'm actually a bit embarrassed right now. It was that bad. But that wraps up the whole competition for me. I didn't make it to 4x4 round two. I missed out by 2 spots, which I'm super bummed out about, but I also got a PB on 4x4, so it's kind of okay. So all that's left to do now is just kind of walk around, hang out with people, and then I'm gonna head back home. So enjoy the last few shots of this competition vlog. It's been a lot of fun, met some really awesome people. Shout out to Alistair and Luke and Bill and Sam, and see you guys next time.